understand, sir. You're a tyrant who violated the Constitution a number of times. There's no such thing as a restricted area in a government building, sir. And you're working for a government right now that is actively stealing kids illegally, and you're not doing anything about it. That means you're a bootlicker and a tyrant. Sir, can we have a word with you about the unconstitutionality of family court? Sir, are you allowed to be playing on your phone at work?
No, sir. I just was texting someone.
Okay, so you're not allowed to be on your phone, but you are on their phone. What's your name, sir?
We can text office business. Okay, I just wanted folks to be aware that there was folks outside. Okay, so the reality is the family court process is not unconstitutional.
Really?
That is correct.
So, okay.
There's due process afforded to the family, to any and all individuals.
Every family that's been separated has a warrant. Is that true?
Every family that's been separated.
One person at a time.
Yep. Sorry about that.
Thank you. Okay.
I'm on their side.
I know that. No, I got that. So every family, when a child is removed, there's a protective order that is issued, signed by a justice of the Rhode Island Family Court.
Excuse me.
It's
Protective
backed
order.
up with an affidavit. Yes, a protective order.
Is that the same as a warrant?
It's not a warrant because it's not a criminal proceeding, sir.
Okay, so it also says here in the Constitution that you should be judged by a jury of your peers. However, family court is not by a jury of your peers. So again, that's unconstitutional.
Okay. This is not a criminal process. This is a child protection proceeding. It is different from a criminal process.
You do know that, I understand what you're saying, that it's not criminal. However, but you do realize that no law that flies in the face of the Constitution could ever be constitutional, right? Because slavery was legal for a while, but doesn't mean it's right? It doesn't mean it's constitutional.
The child protection laws are very clear as to what is required to initiate a process to remove a child. We adhere to the state law as well as.
Can you just stop licking boots, dog? Can you just do your job to the Constitution? Don't tell me what to do. No, you're not doing your job. You're not doing your job.
According to Rhode Island general laws, in order for a child to be taken, there has to be proof of neglect or proof of abuse, which are neglecting a child and abusing a child, that child is the injured party. Now, there's also a res judicata that states that for crimes to exist, there must be an injured party. So if a child is, in fact, injured, abused, or neglected, they are an injured party, so it should be listed as a crime. So how is this not criminal?
Owned.
Not every child protection matter is a criminal proceeding. Okay, there are two separate processes. Hold on.
But there's only two types of law. It's either civil or criminal.
Right. In ours is the child protection statutes are civil.
Which is color of law. Now, hold on. Now, how is it?
It's not criminal law. It's separate.
It's color of law.
It is color of law. How is it a civil issue if there's a child that's injured?
If a child's injured,
if it's abuse or neglect, that is an injury.
Yeah.
That's criminal.
Hold on. If that child is not fed, that child is suffering, which is a criminal offense.
Yeah.
If a child is abused physically, mentally, emotionally, sexually, that is physical abuse, which is a crime. There's res judicata and stare decisis that already state that. So if any organization claiming to be a government or claiming to be government funded isn't abiding by res judicata, which is dealing with Article 4, Section 1 of the Constitution, dealing with decisions previously made by judges, federal and state judges, and applicable in every court in the United States, then since the fact that this issue isn't listed as criminal is unconstitutional, because it's not a civil issue, it's not a commercial issue, it's not a traffic issue,
Owned.
it's not commerce. It is either a crime or a civil infraction, which it is not a civil infraction. So the entire structure of this is unconstitutional. What do you have to say about that? Any laws, any Rhode Island general laws, any res judicata by any federal or state judges?
Could you just at least give him a response to what he said right there? Because I thought it was very thoughtful and eloquent, and it has to be criminal if someone's abused, right?
So under state law, the Department of Children, Youth, and Families has the right to intervene and seek a protective order.
Okay.
It is a civil statute. It is not criminal.
Okay.
In any case where we believe that a child's been harmed by physical abuse and neglect, we're required
That's not true.
Okay, thank you.
I'm the
Hold on, let me
grandmother
finish. I
of
gotta
5 grandkids. These are the Moronta
We have the right to protest,
These
sir.
are the Moronta kids. DCYF took my kids for no reason at all. So could you explain that to me?
You can go right
I
ahead.
am
I don't care if you're on video. There's cameras everywhere. Don't touch me. Don't touch me. You're really annoyed, but yet your agency unconstitutionally steals kids, and we're in your way, and that pisses you off? You work for people that literally unconstitutionally steal kids, and you're upset because someone's in your way? You're an asshole and a sellout. You have blood on your hands.
Why are you here? Come on now. Why are you talking to me?